Hi, my name's Dawn. I'm coming to you from Southwest Pennsylvania, and I'm here with my 1966 GT Mustang. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the last coat. I'm really happy with this product. Well, you can see what it does. I'm very happy with the product. Obviously, I'm pretty particular about what I put on this vehicle. It's my pride and joy. This is not going to be a before and after because it's already coated with the last coat. But I just wanted to give you an idea what it's like to apply. You spray it on. And, I apologize for being a little bit jerky here, trying to do this with one hand, but you spray it on. Wipe it in, buff it off. That's about all there is to it. It's extremely easy to apply. I found the results to be superior to several similar products that I've applied. I think the main danger that I have to be worried about is using too much of the product. A little does go a long way. And also the fact that I can use it on everything. The tires, the chrome, the glass. It's a one-stop product. And first blush, I thought it was expensive, and it is a little bit more expensive than a paste wax or something like that. But I think, you know, it's not what it costs, it's what it gives you. And so far the results have been outstanding. Not only on this car, but my daily driver. We recently took our yearly trip to the beach, 600 miles each way, in pouring rain that slowed traffic to 45 miles an hour and 995. It was coming down that hard. And down and back when we got home, I was really happy with how easy the bugs came off the front of the car and it cleaned up. So that's my unbiased opinion on TLC, Tender Loving Care, the last coat. Thanks for watching. Be safe.